Good morning, everyone. Wow, Malhar is having a flag in his hand, and Hanisha, you look so pretty.
Yes.
Hi,
We are
Myra.
back.
Hi, Vivan.
Tanisha, very nice.
Hi, Advai. Hi, Ethan. Hi,
Malhar
Mahima.
has flag on his cheeks as well. Malhar, can you show us?
Hi, Niharika. Hi, Swara.
Good
Good morning.
morning, children.
You're all doing good today? Yes? You're all doing good?
Look at my India flag.
Did you all have your breakfast?
Why is it like this? Nathan, I'm cleaning it. Look at my India flag.
Wow. Very nice. Did you color it, Nathan?
Yes.
You colored it? It's perfect. Very nice. Beautiful it is.
Choti like
Hi, Hiren. Good morning. Oh, Hiren is looking so stylish today. Smile, smile. Bhavin is looking very cute today. Hi, Bhavin.
एक बार बताओ मुझे गुड मॉर्निंग my name is Nathan.
Good morning, Myra, and good morning, Divan. Wow, Niharika, you colored it. It looks so beautiful. Yes, Malhar is also having a flag behind, and wow, Hanisha's bangles are looking so pretty. Indian flag colors. Very nice. Bhavin is also having a flag in his hand. Wow. Everybody is looking so pretty, so cute, and so smart today. All right. So now, can we start our session? Yes?
Yes.
So I'm going to put you all on mute right now, okay? And we are going to start the session, okay? Okay, very good. So can we start with that song, the flag song today? Can we start singing that song? So what is the action for the word colors? How do you show colors in sign language? Yes, and how do you show sky? Yes, and how do you show a wave? Okay, and last one, how do you show march? Yes, perfect. Now we'll put together all these words and then we'll sing the song. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Wave, wave, wave the flag, hold it very high. Watch the colors gently wave, way up in the sky. March, march, march around, hold the flag up high. Wave, wave, wave the flag, way up in the sky. Wow, it was so good. You're all doing great today. And good morning to Diva, Hiyasha. Okay, so first today we are going to start our Independence Day celebration. So we are going to start with a small video. I'm going to show you a small video. Okay, and then we are going to start with our performances. Okay, so but before we start, I'm going to share my screen and then we are going to look into a small cute video. Okay, and then we are going to start. Okay, it's a very cute story about why we celebrate Independence Day. Okay, everybody is able to see the screen. You can give me a thumbs up. Yes, perfect. One moment, just give me a moment. All right. Okay, here we go.
I am independent.
The grown-ups are up to something this morning. Today is the 15th of August. It is India's Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day!
Mummy? Daddy? What are you wearing? Cake? Cake!
Today is India's birthday. It's called Independence Day. And it's a holiday.
What's independence? Independence. Oh, what does that mean?
Independence is when you can do things on your own without any help.
Why is that important, Daddy?
It's a part of growing up, Bubble. And it makes us proud to see you become independent.
Like when you brush your teeth independently, it feels great, right?
From now on, I shall do everything independent.
Come on, kids. There is a celebration downstairs with a large kids zone to play. Come on, come. Let's go.
No, Naz. I will swing on my own. Huh? But I always push the swing for you. Yes, but now I will do it independently. Oi, Bubble, independent is no fun. Let Naz push you. See, Maddie is going so high. No, I told my mummy on my own.
Here, Bubble, let me push you.
No, thank you, Auntie Ayar. I will do it independently.
Well, that's wonderful, Bubble. I'm proud of you.
Aha. Grown-ups seem to like independent kids. Nice try, Maddie. Shall I show you how to get it right?
No, thank you, Uncle Kapoor. Independently.
Wow. That's super, Maddie. Looks like all the children want to be independent now.
Stop copying me, Maddie. It's India's Independence Day. You were copying India. Now I'm copying you.
Bunny, shall I send Bubble to seesaw with you?
No, Auntie Kapoor. I want to seesaw independently.
Independently. Okay, now that's great. But it's a bit tricky to seesaw alone.
I will still try, Auntie Kapoor.
Good luck, Bunny.
Happy Independence Day, India! I see that all the kids have understood the meaning of independence today.
So, what shall we promise to do on our own from now?
Wait, I'll tell you. I promise to brush my teeth independently twice a day. In the morning and at night.
Yay! Well said. Well said.
I promise to change my clothes independently. I promise to feed my dogs independently every day.
Well said, Div.
I promise to finish my tiffin in school independently every day.
Bunny.
I promise to pack my school bag independently every day.
That was absolutely wonderful, everybody. Happy Independence Day!
Happy Independence Day! Happy Independence Day! Do you want...
Wow, it was a nice story, right? So see how the children, they are becoming independent. See, when, throughout the video, when you saw, they became independent. When they knew the meaning of the word independent, it means that you have to be independent in your own way. It can be any small things which you can do it yourself. So when you do it yourself, you become independent, right? Okay, so now without wasting much time, can we proceed towards our performances of the day? Yes. So let us continue with our Independence Day event. And today we are going to kickstart our session with the most bindas, outgoing, and inquisitive child of our class. Could you guess who it is? Could you guess who it is? No. Okay, it is none other than Bhavin, and he's gonna share the secret as to how to be successful through a song Hum Honge Kamyab Ek Din. Can we have a huge round of applause for Bhavin? Can you all clap for Bhavin? So it's very important that we clap and motivate our friends, okay? So it's a very good habit. Yes. Yes, Bhavin, over to you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Bhavin. I will sing today Hum Honge Kamyab song. Hum honge kamyab, hum honge kamyab, hum honge kamyab ek din. हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास. हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों एक दिन. हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास. होगी शांति चारों ओर. हम चलेंगे साथ साथ, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन. वो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास. हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन. नहीं डर किसी का आज, नहीं डर किसी का आज, नहीं डर किसी का आज एक दिन. वो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास. नहीं डर किसी का आज एक दिन. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. वो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास. हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. Thank you.
Wow, what a splendid singing. Well done. Truly amazing, Bhavin. Can we all clap for Bhavin? Can we all clap? It's a very good thing to clap for everyone. Yes, perfect. Very good children and well done, Bhavin. Keep it up. Now, next we have amongst us a girl who used to be very shy and timid last year. But believe me, this year she has blown us all away with her exemplary show and tell performance on the Tulsi plant which she is growing at her home. Could you guess who it is? Yes, you guessed it right. It is none other than Hanisha, and she is going to deliver a beautiful speech on Independence Day. Can we have a huge round of applause for Hanisha? Can we all clap for Hanisha and motivate her? Can we all clap? Yes, over to you, Hanisha.
Hello everyone, wish you a very happy Independence Day. After 200 years British rule, India got independence on 15 August 1947. Chacha Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. Independence Day is a celebration of our freedom. It's celebrated with enthusiasm and in public holidays. On this occasion, Prime Minister hoists the national flag of India. Now I will sing few lines. Within में आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू एवतन मेरे वतन तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तू ही से पहुंचूं पे जहाँ भी याद रहे तू वतन मेरे वतन जय हिंद थैंक यू
Wow, what an amazing performance, Hanisha. God bless you. What a beautiful speech. Very well done and beautiful singing. Can we all clap for Hanisha? Can we all clap for Hanisha? Wow, God bless you, Hanisha. Very well done. Very good. So now, next, we have with us our cute little game changer. You would ask me why a game changer? Because he has never failed to surprise us in all his things, be it a performance or academics. Please put your hands together for Malhar, and he's gonna give a dhamakedar performance on the patriotic mashup song. So can we all give a huge round of applause for Malhar? Yes, Malhar is going to surprise us through his dance skills. Yes, Malhar, over to you now.
Okay. Ma'am, see whether the song is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Wait, ma'am.
सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो चलते शरारे हैं पानी के धारे हैं हम काटे कटते नहीं जो वादा करते हैं करके निभाते हैं हम पीछे हटते नहीं उम्र है जोश है और जान है नाच तो नाम तो देश तो अपनी शान है उम्र है जोश है और जान है नाच दे नाम दे देश तो अपनी शान है हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो दुनिया वालों बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी सबके दिलों को मोहब्बत से बांध
Ma'am, that's it, ma'am.
Wow, amazing, Malhar. Very good. Can we all clap for Malhar? It was too good.
Wait, ma'am, wait.
Yes, sure. Wow. Amazing, Malhar. Amazing. Truly amazing. God bless you. Very well done. Can we all clap for Malhar once again? Very good, Malhar. Excellent. So now let us move on to the next part, okay? Next we have with us our cute little intellect come car lover who is so passionate about cars that if you're stuck with the name of any car and if you wish to approach him, you can expect a guaranteed answer on the model and the name of the car. It is who it is. Can you tell me who it is? Can you guess who it is? Yes, correct, Yasha. It is none other than Nathan, who is again going to blow us all away with a speech on Independence Day. Now over to you. Can we all clap for Malhar? Very
Nathan,
good.
ma'am.
Over to Nathan.
Look at this one here.
Good morning, one and all. Today we'll celebrate Independence Day. Like, this is all only. Good morning, one and all. Today we'll celebrate Independence Day. We got our independence on 15th August. The year is 1947. It is a national holiday. We give respect for our freedom fighters. They tried hard for our freedom. The national flag has 3 colors: orange, white, green, and 4 colors. So it has courage, saffron has courage and strength. White has peace and green has growth and prosperity. Ashoka Chakra has 24 spikes. It moves for 24 hours. So today is a day to be celebrated. Today is a day to be happy. Today is a day to be independent. So happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Wow, what a stupendous performance. Wow, well done, Nathan. You rock as always. Very good. Can we all clap for Nathan? Very good, Nathan. So proud of you. So now, next, we have with us a girl who is shy, but her great English diction has truly bowled us all. But not just that, she is also a very good dancer. It's none other than Myra Jane, and she is going to dance on the number "It Happens Only in India." Ta-ding, ta-ding, ting, ting, ting. Can we all give a huge round of applause for Myra? Over to you, Myra.
Come on, my
She looks so pretty.
My name is Myra Jane. I'm going to dance.
It happens only in India. It happens only in India.
Wow, what a superb performance, Myra. Bang on. Amazing. Can we all clap for Myra? What a beautiful dress she is wearing and beautiful dance, Myra. God bless you. Very good. So now, next, we have with us a tiny little smart friend, okay, who joined us only last year, but his knowledge on many things at this age is truly admirable. So let's put our hands together for Advai, who is going to deliver a speech on Independence Day. So can we all clap for Advai? Can we all clap and motivate him? Yes, very good children. Yes, over to you, Advai.
Good morning, friends. My name is Advai. I'm gonna talk about Independence Day. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. After 200 years of British rule, India got independence on 15th of August 1947. The Prime Minister of India who hoisted national flag on Red Fort. Independence Day is a celebration of our freedom. Let's be proud of being Indian. Jai Hind.
Wow, amazing, amazing, Advai. Very good. Can you all clap for Advai, please? Very good, Advai. Next, we have with us our cutie pie, whom I would like to refer as Chota Packet Bada Dhamaka. Yes, her grasping ability and determination is to such an extent that I feel this famous dialogue from the movie will suit her nature the most. अगर मैंने commitment कर लिया, तो मैं खुद की भी नहीं सुनती हूँ. Yes, it's none other than Swara, and she is going to sing Nanha Munna Rahi Hu for us. Can we all clap for Swara? A huge round of applause for Swara. Over to you, Swara.
मन्ना मन्ना रानी हूँ, देश का शैतानी हूँ, वो मेरे साथ जय जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। मन्ना मन्ना रानी हूँ, देश से पानी, वो मेरे साथ जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय देश का से पानी बोलो मेरे साथ जय हिंद जय जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद।
Is it done?
Thank you.
Wow, what a cute performance, with Swara. What a cute performance. Very good. Can we all clap for Swara? Can we all give a huge round of applause for Swara? Very good. So now our last performance of the day is going to be one of our friends who is an epitome of obedience and talent, where if you're going to give her anything to read, Her fluency in reading is going to make you go awestruck. So please put your hands together for a little child prodigy, Niharika. Can we all give a huge round of applause for Niharika? Can we all clap? I want everybody to clap. It's a very good thing to clap for everyone. Okay, it's very good to motivate your friends. Very good. Over to you, Niharika.
Hello everyone, I'm going to tell about the India Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Wow, very good, Niharika. Can we all clap for Niharika? A huge round of applause. Very good, Niharika. Well done. Excellent. So with this, we come to the close of our Independence Day virtual celebration. I would like to thank all the parents who had taken so much effort in helping your child prepare for the performance, and without which this program couldn't have been pulled on so well. So all three cheers and three cheers for all the parents and children. All claps. And not to forget our cute little angels. You are the real show stealers, and you all have yet again proved that your capabilities are not limited to school academics, and it goes over and beyond the curriculum. So you guys truly stand for the saying, nothing is impossible and unachievable. I would also like to thank our director, Mrs. Saili Bhosle, and our center head, Mrs. Ramya Chandrasekhar, for coming up with the idea of virtual day, Independence Day celebration. So now let us all raise for the national anthem, okay? So I want everybody to get up, all right, and stand for our national anthem, because I'm going to share the screen and I'm going to play that song, okay? I want everybody to get up. One moment, I'll just share the screen.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Very good. So can we all sit down? Very good, children. A huge round of applause for everybody, for your parents, children, everyone. You all did a fabulous job today. Very good. So proud of you all. So now from today, I'm going to ask you something, okay? So from today, you are going to be independent in some way or the other. We saw a video on how to be independent, right? What is the meaning of independence? So I want you to think, okay, in what way you are going to be independent, all right? And we are going to meet in the next session, and you are going to tell me when we join the session. I'm going to ask you, from today, how have you decided that you're going to be independent? In what way? Which activities you're going to do it independently? मतलब क्या है, खुद से जो आप काम करने वाले. Okay, I'm going to ask you think about those activities. We will all meet you in the next session. Okay, we'll go in for a short break and we'll all meet up for the next session of OmniScience. Okay, bye bye. Have a lovely day. Okay, we'll meet you. We'll catch you up after the session.